No, I think it's always right and wrong. Buying, investing is always in the business also. Sometimes you buying stocks. This year doing good, next year's going down, right? I think again the most important, what is the blueprint? I always believe when we build a team, even what I do in Indonesia with my basketball team, right? The academy have to be a strong academy. So to produce young players, the team have to be in also good conditions, you know. So when we buy also the players from other clubs, have to be the players that worth it to help the team. Yeah, I think these models I really believe, and it works everywhere right now, right? I mean, that's what we believe. But again, this thing I have to discuss with Mr. Moratti and coach, and also especially to the people from the academy. You know, we have to work together. But of course, which model is better, I don't know. But this is the model I really believe can work in the futures. You know.
In your Twitter,
In tutti i suoi profili, da Twitter a WhatsApp, c'è una frase ripresa da Walt Disney, cioè "It's kind of fun to do the impossible", è divertente fare l'impossibile. Cosa significa per lei?
Reach.
Well, Walt Disney is one of the, what do you say, not guru, but the businessman that I'm like respect. The businessman like, wow, Walt Disney. What he has been done with Walt Disney Company is amazing. So one of his quote I say is fun to do impossible. Of course, doesn't mean I'm only having fun, right? It's come back to my philosophy, patient. If you do something with your passion and you fun to doing it, yeah, I think it's one of your advantage. Then of course I like challenge. Yeah, I like challenge, not because but this I like challenge. I like to make something from not good become good. Something in Republica, in other business. And Inter Milan already good. It's already established, the history, the brand. So I think the value that I can bring to Inter Milan hopefully can bring Inter Milan together, of course with Mr. Moratti and all the management, with a better place together, not because of. Yeah. But of course, impossible doesn't mean Inter Milan is impossible things. But it's just the proffers that I like.
Mr. Tohir.
Lei quanto conosce l'Inter?
Well, basically, of course, compared to some of the fans, my knowledge of Inter may be zero, right? But I do follow Inter for a long time. As you know, Serie A used to be on air in Indonesia in many years ago, and it's one of the #1 clubs. Of course, recently because of the competition, English Premier Leagues become very big in Indonesia. But I still believe Serie A can bounce back if the team work together, the club work together to compete against EPL, against La Liga. That's what Major League Soccer have been done. The same thing with Inter. I know Inter not like deep, but of course I remember most of Inter players. That's why I keep saying, it's easy to mention, oh, there's Trio Germany. Oh, Roberto Baggio play in Inter, right? Oh, Ronaldo play in Inter. Yes, people remember that. But of course, I remember also the players who been work for Inter. Some helping Inter for 3 years, some get injured, but I remember one of them is Nicola Ventola, because that time he's one of the brighter stars, Italy under 21. But he get injured. We cannot blame it, but he helped Inter. Salvatore Fresi, this the name maybe people forgetting, but I do remember. Even I mentioned some of the players, Obama Martins, right?
Obafemi Martins.
Obama Martins, who play in Major League Soccer right now. Because of the competitions, then he he can be a third choice maybe or second choice. You know, it's not the mistakes he done, but he helped Inter. I respect all the Inter players because no matter what, make one goal score, he helped Inter. My father is very philosoph. He likes history. He's a smart man. He's in the 80s right now, so I love him so much. Sometimes why he wants to give this name to the son, because and he has a hope the son can be a better person, a better man, a better family, something like that. So the same thing when he give it the name to me, Eric, I think from the Vikings, right? So that's why when I'm buying the media, which is for my father, my brother, media, he was like, oh, why, Then I was teasing him. Well, you give me the name, right? Eric the Vikings, very adventurous. Because of the name, then I become adventurous.